Another Killer Planes video.
Howdy! Steve from Killer Planes, here with the Durafly Cessna 182. This plane is honking. It is a big monster plane. See how big it is? I'm 6'4". This thing's big. And the foam is like this thick, and I'm not kidding. It's nearly an inch thick. It's really, really well built. All the control surfaces on this, super elegant. They're all buried inside the wing, so they're also buried inside the tail. You don't see no control arms, no horns, no rods, no anything like that. This looks like a real plane. Super, super elegant. I love this thing. And it flies. It really flies. And it really, really likes to go that way pretty much endlessly. So let's show you how it does that. Hopefully it's gonna take off and land nicely because it's really gusty out here today. It just keeps like blowing big gusts on me out of nowhere and making the planes go sideways. I'm not a big fan of that, but I do it for you people. I got full flaps on, so this should take off in about 3 feet.
Oh boy.
Slow speed. Let's try it out at like half throttle. Yep, that's a half throttle takeoff.
It's porpoising.
I'm at half throttle now. Very responsive elevator. Well, I'm gonna put it on, I'm gonna nail it and climb. Look at this baby climb.
Jeez. It's way up there. Holy cow, I've lost it. Wow, there it is. Climbs so fast.
Jumping up and down, that's gusts of wind.
Yes, it's not my camera work. Right now, anyway.
Whoa, it's extremely gusty.
Oh man.
The wind just picked that up like that.
Yeah, the wind just started really gusting, yeah. It was so still before. What happened?
This is a really nice flying plane.
It's pretty too. It's pretty.
Did a nice loop. Let's do a loop out there so you can see
Yes.
it.
Oh, beautiful. What else can you do?
For a Klondike bar.
I don't think it does rolls that well, but let's try it. Get it up high first. No,
Not built for
Doesn't
rolls.
want to do an aileron roll. Maybe if I added some rudder. Let's try that. There you go.
Yeah, there you go.
So it'll do a roll if you add rudder. This thing goes fast. All right, I got half flaps on now. I'm flying at practically zero. Whoa.
I'll show you how close you are to the ground. About that far away. And what are you trying to do?
Uh-oh.
Every time you... Damn it!
Oh, it ran out of power. Uh-oh, just ran out of power.
Uh-oh.
Let's put two flaps on.
Ooh.
Oh, just ran out of power.
Oh boy. Oh, look at her. Look at her float. Oh my gosh. That's beautiful. Wow. She lands really nicely.
Well, I put it straight in. It ran out of power. I was expecting it to last longer. Big mistake. But even with that plummet from, I guess it was somewhere around 80 feet or so, the wheel bent, and this got bent up here, this wingtip. But as you can see, the plane itself is still in one piece of, the prop got broke too. It's a big honking prop, so it took some impact to break that baby off. But other than that, this plane is still in beautiful flying condition. Crash proofing works, and it's a big honking plane to boot. So we'll straighten the wheel out, put a new prop on, put it back up in the air. Not today though. Before I put it in, we took the radar gun out and clocked it at top speed is 50 on this baby. I would say that the average of like half throttle is probably around 35 miles an hour or so, maybe a little faster than that. But it flies around beautifully at quarter throttle. I mean, it's a beautiful airplane. I love this baby. It's hefty. I like hefty. And one of the reasons is because you can drop it out of the sky from 80 feet and it'll still be in one piece. I like that. Woohoo! There are never enough planes!